Good afternoon, teacher. The project consists of making an electrical installation in a 120 scale model of a house. The material that I used were LED bulbs, resistor for lights, solder pads, soldering iron or coating, uh, two types fast and neutral cables, a 9-volt battery and connection battery, and a small switch. The installation was made underneath the cleaning of the model. The first step was to make where each light bulb would go with this switch, and they were placed under the cleaning. The battery that was the charge center was located and began to join all the bulbs on its negative side with negative side of battery, uh, where where the longest where the longest end is the positive and the shortest is the negative. After I use the solder iron or coating to join to each cable. See, and the same was done with the fast red wire that was connected from the switch to a resist that was headed so that the focus did not burn, and from the resistance to the focus, and again all the switch were connected to the fast and connect to the positive side of the battery using a battery connector, as you can see. And finally, this is how each bulb has its own independent switch, as can be seen. Is this kitchen, living room, bedroom, dining room, lobby, bathroom, bedroom, and sink space. This is